Today I will be doing a giveaway. First place will be Los Jabcitos. Second place will be the Scrapus Medusi. Third place will be Los Tugarinos. I don't even know how to say it. And then fourth place will be Bunu Jupiter with Rainbow. That has fire, and then Mexico. And then fifth place will be
Tralalelo tralala.
you will be getting a job. No, wait. First lost Jabcitos. Second place lot that one. So wait, no. First, second. Second place will be getting this Jabsahor, so I'm wasting your time. Third place will be this Grapus Medusi. No, wait. Third place will be this Los Tugarinos. Fourth place will be this Grapus Medusi. Fifth place will be this Bunu Jupiter. And then last place will be this Los Orcaleros or Pichamamaca. Or Picacaca. Or my Los Bombinis. Right there. No, I missed the Tralala. I was gonna buy that. Okay, I'm gonna see it. So I'm just gonna make a video about this. That's okay. Bye, guys. See you in the next one. I cannot even do this. How do others YouTube?